F05, F06, what do these codes even mean? Well, if your washing machine is displaying an error code like this one here, it can often be confusing as to what the problem actually is. It can be even more confusing if your washer doesn't have a digital display and is just blinking lights at you. Well, don't worry, I'm here to explain all. So the only way modern appliances can tell you something is wrong is by presenting you with an error code. Now, error codes are very manufacturer and model specific. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain how you can identify error codes for Hotpoint and Indesit washing machines only. If you want help with a specific error code, then visit the Hotpoint or Indesit service YouTube channels or click on any of the links that appear at the top of the screen during this video. Before I begin though, if you need any assistance with anything mentioned in this video, the best place to go is the Hotpoint washing machine error code support page. This page has everything you need to know about Hotpoint washer errors, how to read them, and what to do about them. First things first, how do you know what error code you're looking at? Well, if your machine has a digital display like this one here, it's easy to see in plain sight. In this case, it's showing F05. However, if your machine doesn't have a digital display, it can only show you a series of lights. So if your appliance doesn't have a display, simply match up your flashing lights with the ones on the website to work out which error codes you have. So there you go, that's how to read error codes on a Hotpoint washer. And remember, there are specific videos for specific error codes on the Hotpoint service YouTube channel. And if you want to live chat with one of our service team or book your local engineer, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.